This is ANASTASIA and I'm gonna show you one more property today. This is a street. We have a store across the street. This is a neighbor house. And this is the house we are talking about. Let me go to show you backyard. It's not really a backyard. And it needs some siding work. And this is the entrance. It has kind of fenced backyard and parking right there. And this is the property. Needs some work to be done here. And let's go in. I took my dog with me. Dusa. With my dog with me. Come here and let me show you how property look inside. This is a house. Kitchen. Kitchen is pretty much done, I would say. Has a small pantry. I'm not sure what this is. Like decoration pieces, and I believe this is addition, like small bedroom. There's a toilet here and small sink. Yep, toilet and sink. And this is closet. I would say this is an addition. And let's see if we can go out. Yep. Дуся, иди сюда. And this is backyard and small porch, which is pretty cool. Come here. Yeah, it was not a good idea to take my dog with me. Now she's running around. But she just bored to stay home. So this is kitchen, refrigerator. Everything is in decent condition, I would say. So we have one bedroom right here. This is living room. Door probably need fresh coat of paint. And this is second floor. And I think we got some problems right here. Okay. These things just fell down. I'm not sure if it's a big issue, so we need to change the roof or it can be fixed, but it's done pretty nicely. And we have 2 bedrooms right here. Not sure if we have an electrical issue. No, it is working. This is windows. And this is roof. Windows are kind of old. I'm not sure what's going on here. And this is second bedroom. So it's a 3 bedroom, 1.5 baths. And let's go in the basement. I'm not sure what's going on with this floor. It's really like big gap when you're walking. kitchen is nice. Once again. And this is a basement. Electrical. Gas. Water heater. Whole house, it's kind of feel like shifting. Like I'm not sure if you can see floor going down. Like it's really big bump right here. House is definitely shifting, but not sure if it's okay. And we have one more room right here. For the price, we are talking about 45,000 right here and 35,000 just previous house that I show you today. So it's your decision which one you like. Let me know if you need an address. I'm gonna post it in description or in a comment. Just ask, okay? Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. If you like the video, please like it. It's really helping things.